Welcome to Ridgewater College's newly redesigned carpentry program. Each year, Ridgewater Carpentry students build 1 to 2 houses, along with many lab and classroom activities. Students can expect about 20 hours of hands-on training a week. Students gain experience in concrete foundation systems, advanced floor and wall framing, roof truss systems, stair construction, hand roof framing, blueprint reading, energy code, interior and exterior finishes, estimating, green construction technologies, and drafting. New for 2011, the Ridgewater Carpentry program will offer a 1-year carpentry diploma covering many aspects in residential construction. This diploma gives students the technical skills necessary for entry-level job site success. We also offer a 2-year advanced carpentry diploma. This program prepares students with advanced technical skills to be leaders in their field with a strong emphasis in construction planning and management. Another option is our Advanced Carpentry AAS degree. Similar to a 2-year diploma, this is an excellent choice for students who are looking to build a strong background in construction management while earning credits towards a 4-year degree. The future job market looks promising, and past Ridgewater Carpentry graduates have consistently been rewarded with high job placement rates.